Hi there. Did you know that by 2026, the global market for embedded systems is projected to exceed $130 billion? The demand for skilled embedded engineers is skyrocketing, with industries like robotics, medicine, and even defense more seeking top talent. Imagine being at the forefront of innovation, designing systems that power life-saving medical devices, secure defense mechanisms, and the latest consumer electronics. As an embedded engineer, you will play a crucial role in shaping the future of technology. The field of real-time embedded systems is unique and impactful. The job market for embedded engineers offers not only stability, but also attractive salaries. Companies are constantly searching for skilled professionals who can bring their innovative ideas to life. At Embedded Academy, we provide you with leading expert knowledge and one-on-one mentorship, as well as access to the latest industry tools. Our hands-on approach means you won't just learn in theory, but you will apply it by working on real-world technology projects to kickstart your career. No matter if you are only starting your path in tech or already a working professional, with our support, you will succeed and move your career forward. Start powering your future with industry-demanded skills. Get in touch with us to unlock your potential. Embedded Academy, engineering for the future.